Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly unbox the Q60D series QLED TV from Samsung. This is a 2024 model and it comes in a wide variety of sizes from 32 inches all the way up to 85. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're unboxing yours because the process might vary just slightly from size to size. But again, this is the 55-inch model. Stay tuned. First things first, we're going to go ahead and cut the tape on the top of the box. Now we're going to go ahead and open the top of the box here and take out all the accessories that are visible. And we've got a packet of power cord, remote, and instructions, and then we've got 2 pedestal legs. Now we're going to take the styrofoam out from off the top. Then on the back of the box, you're going to see, especially on the 55-inch version, you're going to see these 2 perforations, one on each side, and you're just going to tear down to open that up, and we'll just do the same thing on the other side, and then push this down and you'll see that it bends in half. Now that we've got the back folded down, the next step is going to be to remove the TV from the box and then lay it face down. Now we're running into the same issue with this one that we had with the QN85D in that there's no handhold cutouts in the styrofoam for this. So you can't really reach the bottom of the TV. So you want to definitely have a second person with you to lift the TV out of the box, but then you're gonna have to kind of grip wherever is comfortable and doesn't cause you to pinch the screen. I'm gonna lift from the, looks like where the power cord plugs in. Just be very, very careful during this part. And we're just gonna lift up and then set it face down on a flat surface. But that is not the easiest thing to do, so just take your time when you're doing that part. Now we're gonna attach the pedestal legs, and the way to do that, you're basically just sliding them into place, but there are 2 variations. So what you're looking at here with this white tab facing down is gonna be a more low profile look. If you're gonna put a sound bar in front of the TV, or you just wanna raise it a little bit higher, you just flip that white tab up and click it into place. But for our purposes, we're gonna push it down, and then you'll just, like I said, slide it into place, no tools necessary. And you just start it at the bottom and you're just gonna slide it up. And then really what I've found to work the best is grab the top of the TV and then just push from the bottom here, and it should lock into place. When it's in this low profile position, it's gonna slide up and you're gonna see a little gap at the bottom. That's okay. And then we just do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna wanna start at the bottom, like I said, and then push up, and we're gonna grab up here at the top of the TV. Now the first time you put these pedestal legs in, pushing in can be a little difficult, so just take your time and make sure that you push it until it gets all the way up there. When you're in this low profile mount, again, you're gonna have that gap at the bottom, but the top is gonna line up with this ridge on the TV right here, as you can see. And now that the pedestal's attached, we're just gonna, with the help of a friend, slide it down and then lift the TV up and turn it around so it's facing forward here. And now we're just gonna take these 2 protective strips off of here. These are just little foam pieces, and those will peel right off. And then my favorite part, peeling off the protective film on the outside here. And that you just grab from the corner, although this one doesn't seem to want to cooperate. Here we go. And that just peels off like that. So as you can see, setup is pretty straightforward on this one. No tools involved whatsoever, at least in the 55-inch version. It's got, so far, what appears to be a really nice picture. It's a 60 Hertz panel, so this is the entry level into the QLED series for Samsung for 2024. But still, so far, so good. We're gonna have a full overview on this one coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks, as always, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.